Hey everyone, my name's Gary, and today I'm here to show you how to create an email signature in your new Gmail account. So to get started, let's go to the upper right hand corner of the screen and click on that gear icon logo. From there, we're going to click on See All Settings. In the General tab that it takes you to, we're going to scroll about halfway down until we come to the Signature field. You'll know you're getting close when you see the stars field. It's just a little bit further down. Here we have at the top of my screen, the Signature field. So before we get started, I want to throw a couple of tidbits of information out for you. First off, if you're coming from Microsoft, you'll want to be aware that it may or may not take your signature as a copy and paste into our Signature field. The reason being is if you have an image, a logo, branding, anything of that nature as a part of your Microsoft signature, when you try to copy the text and that image and put it into the Signature field here, it's probably going to be too big formatting wise. So here's what we're going to do to kind of get around that. By the way, if you're just doing the text, you should have no problem, no harm, no foul. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. If you have a logo, branding, image as a part of your Microsoft signature that you want to bring over, we're going to go to the upper right hand corner of the screen and click on that 9-dot grid button. Kind of looks like a waffle. This is your app launcher. You're going to look for the Google Doc icon. Now, it may not be in the same place as mine is. You may have to scroll down in this launcher to find it. But once you do, just click on that once and it will open up a new tab. You're going to go all the way over to the left in the upper left corner and click on Blank Document. Now, from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to that cursor and you're going to paste that image. And it should have that image come into Google and it will convert it to Google Doc format, or in our case, Google format. So then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to grab all of that information that you have, image included, and we're going to copy it. Then we're going to go back to our tab at the top left into our email screen. And we're going to go to our Signature field and we're going to click on Create New. And let's give this a new name. So we'll just say this is going to be our new signature. And create. It will give you an empty field to the right for you to paste that in. So we're just going to do a quick Control V, which is paste. And there is my signature in Google format with no issues with the image. Now, if you're just doing text coming from Outlook, probably no harm, no foul. You can pop it right in from there. If you need to, you can also change up what you have as your text, meaning your formatting for the font, the color of, and all that good stuff while we're in here, if you want to or need to. You can also add anything that may be wanting to be a link or add additional images. FYI, if it is an image, you'll need to make sure that it's going to be publicly available to see. You may need to upload that to Drive if you did not copy and paste it in the steps that we showed previously from this. So now that we've got our signature in here, a couple more things. Go down below where it says Signature Defaults, and you'll see no signature in these boxes. So if you don't check something here, it's not going to give you a signature in your new email box, regardless of you creating it. So here's what you're going to do. For new emails, we click on that little pull down and we're going to grab the name of the one that we're creating right now. New sig. We're going to go to replies and forwards. Same thing. Now, as time goes on, you do have the ability to create multiple signatures, maybe a client-facing one or public-facing one, and maybe just internal. And depending on what you want to do, you can come back and change these up as you see fit. But for right now, we want the same signature on new emails, replies, and forwards for the moment. Now, if for some reason this box underneath where it says new signature for our new emails is deselected, I would encourage you to check that little box, because sometimes IT does not do this for all new accounts, just as an FYI. But what this does is it actually removes your signature from your emails that you're creating for your view. It will show up for the recipient, but you won't see it. It's just trimming the content for you. So if you don't want to see these two little dashed lines click on this little box. Most people like that so they can see their signature, and you're good to go. Then we're going to go down to the bottom of the screen, and we're going to click on Save Changes down in the bottom middle, and now test it. Go to your Compose box, upper left, and click once. You should see your new signature appear in that new email box, ready for you to go. Now, if you would like, just as an added bonus tip here, you can add and subtract to your signature right from here without updating the core pop-in. Maybe you want to add a phone number just for this email, maybe subtract something. You can edit your email signature on the fly if you need to, but it won't change anything in the settings that we've just added. So with that, that's how you're going to create your signature for the first time around and get it put into your new emails moving forward. Until we meet again, this is Gary, signing out.